Today, I'm going to show you how to grow fast on Pinterest in 2026, even if you are starting completely from zero. Because honestly, a lot of beginners post random pins for weeks, get almost no views, and then quit too early. But the truth is, Pinterest works very differently compared to platforms like TikTok or Instagram. And once you understand how the platform actually works, growth becomes much easier. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best beginner strategies to grow faster on Pinterest. In 2026, step by step, first understand that Pinterest is basically a search engine, not just a social media app. People go to Pinterest searching for ideas, products, inspiration, tutorials, recipes, fashion, fitness, home decor, and solutions to problems, which means your content needs to be searchable, not just aesthetic. Now, the first thing you should do, choose one niche. This is extremely important because many beginners post random content about everything, and that confuses the algorithm instead. Focus on one category only. For example, fitness, beauty, home decor, digital products, fashion, productivity, or motivation. Pinterest grows accounts much faster when the content stays consistent. Now, the second step, optimize your profile. Use a clean profile picture, a simple username, and a bio that clearly explains your content. For example, daily home decor ideas or Pinterest tips for beginners. This helps Pinterest understand your account faster. Now let's talk about the most important thing, keywords. Because honestly, keywords are everything on Pinterest. You should use keywords in your titles, descriptions, boards, and even inside your pin images. One of the easiest ways to find keywords is by typing something into the Pinterest search bar and looking at the suggested searches. Those suggestions show what people are already searching for. Now, another huge tip, make vertical pins. Vertical images usually perform much better on Pinterest, especially clean designs. With easy-to-read text, most creators use tools like Canva to create their pins quickly. And honestly, simple designs usually outperform overly complicated ones. Now, something important beginners ignore, your pin title matters a lot instead of vague. Titles like cool ideas. Use searchable titles like best small bedroom ideas 2026 or easy high protein breakfast recipes because searchable content gets discovered much more easily. Now, another important strategy, post consistently. This is where many people fail. Pinterest usually rewards accounts that upload regularly. You do not need to spam hundreds of pins daily, but consistency matters a lot. Even posting a few quality pins every day can help growth over time. Now let's talk about boards, because boards still matter in 2026. Create organized boards around your niche. For example, home decor ideas, minimalist bedroom, inspiration, or healthy meal prep recipes, and use keywords naturally inside board names and descriptions. Now, another thing that helps massively, creating multiple pins for the same content. A lot of big Pinterest creators do this. Instead of making one pin only, they create several different designs for the same blog post, product, or idea. This increases the chances of one version performing well. Now, something extremely important, be patient. Because Pinterest is slower than platforms like TikTok. Some pins can take weeks or even months before they start getting traffic, but once a pin performs well, it can continue bringing views for a very long time, which is one of the biggest advantages of Pinterest. Now, let's be honest for a second. Most people fail on Pinterest because they quit too early. They post for a few days, see low traffic, and stop completely. Meanwhile, the people actually growing on Pinterest usually stay consistent for months, improve their designs, learn keywords, and slowly build momentum. Now, another important tip, focus on niches that naturally perform well visually. For example, fashion, beauty, fitness, quotes, travel recipes, home decor, and digital products. These categories tend to grow much faster on Pinterest. So to wrap this up, if you want to grow fast on Pinterest in 2026, focus on one niche. Use strong keywords. Make vertical searchable pins. Post consistently, optimize your profile, and stay patient long enough for the algorithm to understand your content. Because honestly, Once Pinterest starts pushing your pins, the traffic potential can become huge.